आं दायो बे समाव दङ क'क्राझार जिल्लानि एबा क'क्राझार सोहोरनि अमस्रि होननाय मोनसे हटेलाव दिनै मोनसे गोदान आफाद दानायनि मोनसे प्रेस मिट होबाय थादोंमोन नाथाय बे जाफुङासै गोबां दिनै बे आफाद दानाय समावनो माखासे दावराव दावसि जानो हमो नेशनेल बड' नेशनेल स्टुडेन्ट इउनियन मुंनि मोनसे आफाद दादोंमोन दा बे आफाद दानायनि मोनसे खौरांगिरि मेल होनाय समावहा नाथाय माखासे सुबुंफोरा फैनानै बर' समाजनियावहा माखासे गुलाय गुजाय फैगोन होननानै बे आफादखौ दानो होआखै दा बे समाव दैदेनगिरि बिथांमोना मा फोरमायो जों मिथिना लादोनि
First of all, I would like to thank the media, the Press Club of Kokrajhar. And today, on this very day, 7th February 2022, through this media, I would like to convey a message to the people of India, to the people of Assam, and to the people of BTC, especially the Bodo community. Today, on this very day, we, the like-minded Bodo students of India, gathered together in the Bodoland Cemetery near the Bodoland University, Deburgao, Kokrajhar. There we assembled and we discussed regarding the socio-economic condition of the Bodos. And today, in this gathering, we, the members present there, we decided to think about our future existence of the Bodo community living in India, in Northeast India, Assam. And today, we felt that the socio-economic condition of the Bodos are threatened. And today, in our Bodo community, there is no social organization which can voice or which can raise against the atrocities made by the subsequent Assam governments. So today, we, the like-minded Bodo students of India, today we assembled and we formed a new students' union, that is the Bodo National Students Union, known as Bodo National Students Union. In short form, we call it BONSU. And today, with this new students' union, we came together in a common platform where we have decided to fight for the rights of the Bodo people, for the existence of the Bodo people, for the identity of the Bodo people, and for the freedom and for the homeland of the Bodo people. And through this press release, I would like to appeal the youths today decided to form as an independent students' union where the youths can come together and sit in a common platform and talk and discuss regarding the future course of our Bodo community. We are totally independent. We are not under any organizations or any political parties. We came together here to work for the common goal, that is for the greater interest of the Bodo community. See, today what happened is that in our Bodo community, we have so many organizations, but it is very sad that in today's, after BTR agreement signed between the government of India and with the Bodo organizations, our issues, our problems has not been raised by our social organizations. And today, we came to a conclusion that it is a very high time that so many problems are happening in our community. And it is our high time that the students, the youths of the Bodo community should raise the voice, because we are facing lots of problems after BTR agreements. We have seen today, after the agreements, we have seen our two Bodo youths. They are innocents, but they were killed in a cold-blooded murder by the Assam police. So there is no any social organizations who raise the voice, who raise for human rights. And after that, we have seen here the indigenous Bodo tribals are being evicted. We have seen in Guwahati recently. There is no any other organizations who raise the voice against the atrocities made by the Assam government. So, we the like-minded Bodo youths, today we came together and assembled together for the common goal of all these problems that is prevailing in our society.
Any planning?
We have today, we the members of Bonshu would like to give a message that we are striving for the long cherished dreams of the people, that is separate homeland. So slowly and steadily, we will go ahead and we will move forward to achieve our dream, that is separate homeland. Because today we have seen our borders has been sacrificed, thousands of martyrs, and our organizations, they have been sacrificed for many years. And today, with these three accords, that is BAC, BTC, and BTR, we were again seated by the government of India. So today, we will fight for our rights, and we will fight for our separate homeland through democratic ways.